Guys, you have no idea who we just saw. Hello babies. We are going to Gardens by the Bay now. So come with us and also happy birthday to me.
Yeah.
Guys, so we used our cards and we used our card and we came to Gardens by the Bay. Guys, this is inside the MRT station. Guys, we've reached Gardens by the Bay and this is the view currently. Anaya's crying, so we're getting her to cool down a little bit and then we'll go in. Guys, so we're here at Floral Fantasy first. My most favorite show. Oh, why don't they have... Wow. This, I was going to be like, why don't they have automatic doors? Amazing. Guys, my favorite flower, hydrangeas. So guys, now we are going to Flower Dome and Cloud Forest. Guys, this is the Marina Bay Sands. So we are now going to the Cloud Forest and Flower Dome. We finished Floral Fantasy. We have taken tickets for all three so that again we don't have to come here and buy, and we got everything through Klook. If you want a special code, check the description below. Guys, kuch nahi to, like, even if you don't want to pay anything, you guys can just come here and sit and just enjoy, you know. You don't need a ticket to come and sit and enjoy this. Guys, what a view. And what a view. What a view.
Look at the dinosaurs.
Guys, we are in the Jurassic Park, Cloud Forest, whatever. It's gorgeous. Guys, you have no idea who we just saw. My husband's most favorite and mine not so favorite. It's T-Rex, guys. It's T-Rex. It's T-Rex. So guys, now we are in the gift store of the Cloud Forest, the Jurassic experience. So a lot of dinosaurs and stuff here. We are now in the Flower Dome. Oh my god. Guys, this is the Flower Dome. It's beautiful. Legit. Will you see that? Hi guys, it's our second day here in Singapore. So I'm just getting ready. I'm already ready to go and bring some takeout from Din Tai Fung. Today is a break day for us because Anaya will get tired otherwise and overstimulated. So yesterday we spent a day in Gardens by the Bay, which was lovely. And today is our break day. We're not doing anything. We're spending the time in the room. And we're taking turns to go out because we don't want to leave her alone. So Aniket went and got breakfast, so I'm going now to bring lunch. So guys, I'm going to Raffle City because it has Din Tai Fung and Cinnabon, which is my favorite. So let's go. Also guys, the Singapore weather is absolutely unpredictable. It is raining now, but it will be sunny in like a minute. So even if you're buying a stroller, buy a stroller which comes with a raincoat. Don't buy just some random stroller. Or usually what happens is the raincoat comes separately sometimes with stroller, so you can buy a different one. And guys, the rules are very strict in Singapore. Like the road is empty, but do not cross because the light is still red for pedestrians. So don't break the rules. The fines are really heavy. No jaywalking, no crossing here and there. You have to cross only where the pedestrians crossing is. And no eating in the public transport. No eating in the metros or buses. Also, Singapore is celebrating their 60 years. One more point about Gardens by the Bay or anywhere is carry a water bottle because the tap water is drinkable in Singapore. So we carried a bottle and we refilled everywhere. So that helped a lot. Guys, so I just picked up lunch and some dessert. So I ordered 2 Cinnabons and shrimp noodle soup and shrimp fried rice, and I'm going back and it's drizzling. So guys, I just came to the room now and I am sleeping, so I have to talk very softly. And I got all the takeaway and it's all my favorite. This is chicken dim sum, shrimp noodle soup. The water is here, the broth, and shrimp egg fried rice. My mouth is watering. It smells so good. But what I want to say is that when you're traveling with a baby, you might not be able to eat at the restaurant some days, and that's okay as long as you get delicious food. I gotta go. Bye.
And you've got great company.
And you've got great company. I got the best company in the world for lifetime. For lifetime. I couldn't record my reaction. Guys, if you eat chicken, please try the dim sum at Din Tai Fung. How is it? It's so damn good. Guys, my husband is trying cinnamon for the first time. I'm a big fan of cinnamon, so let's see whether he likes it or not.
Smells amazing.
Yeah, cinnamon के store के बाहर ही मस्त smell आता है.
Difficult to cut right now.
And they have 100 flavors, but I love the classic. Just eat it with your hand, dude. 5 business working days later.
Damn nice.
So cute. कैसा है?
Very nice.
सच बोलो, ऐसे ही मत बोलो प्योर प्रजा में.
Sushi.
Like, is it just nice or like nothing great types?
No, it's very nice. कुछ मजा आ गया sweet खा के.
Hi guys, so I'm back after a quick lunch break. So, where were we? Gardens by the Bay. So, firstly, we booked our tickets on Klook. We went and watched some other YouTuber and influencers Klook reel and took their coupon code and used that. So, we got I think 10 or 5% off, right? Which is a lot when you have a lot of bookings to do. So, first point is book well in advance on Klook or get your guide, and your life will become much more easier because it's all QR codes. They just scan it and you get your ticket and you're done. So that's about booking. And for Gardens by the Bay, we wanted to visit everything that is there. There's nothing that we skipped, I think. So for Cloud Forest, that Jurassic World, Flower Dome, and Floral Fantasy, we got the bundled ticket, and that was for 9,000 rupees for both of us. There's no ticket cost for Anaya because she's less than 2 years old. So, but I think anyway, less than 5 ka ticket ka price nahi hai na? Less than 2. Yeah, it's different for different places, but she's anyway an infant, so there was, yeah, under 2 everywhere it's free. So 9,000 we paid for both of us. And just one point I would like to tell you guys is, if you don't have a stroller, or if you can just fold your stroller, when you're booking, you can also book a ticket which includes the shuttle. Okay, there is shuttle service inside Gardens by the Bay. It takes you from one place to another. Otherwise, there's a lot to walk, but we didn't book that ticket. We missed it actually, but anyway, it's good that we didn't book, because when we reached there, Anaya was already asleep. So again, to wake her up and then fold the stroller and take the stroller on the shuttle would not be possible. But there is an option of shuttle, so you can check that, because you might have to walk a lot. So this is just an overall Gardens by the Bay guide, and add-on is we're traveling with the baby. So that's point number 2. You can book with the shuttle or without the shuttle, whatever is convenient for you. So point number 3 is for all the mothers and fathers. There is proper baby care room everywhere, across Gardens by the Bay. So there's a nice diaper changing unit and a nursing room as well. So for me, Aniket helped changing the diaper in almost all the places, because both father and mother can go. And guys, just one more point, even in Bangalore airport, there's a family room. It's not called mother's room or mother's care. So the world is changing and I love it. So there is a separate nursing room if you're breastfeeding, and outside there's a common diaper changing station. You have to obviously carry your own stuff, but there's a nice place to wash your hands, and there's a changing mat and all that, like a cushion proper. So that is point number 4, I guess. I don't even know how many points are done. The next point is, I would recommend a stroller for your baby, no matter how old your baby is. Of course, obviously, as much as your baby can sit on a stroller, because there's lots to walk. Your baby is gonna get tired. Of course, there are places to sit everywhere in Gardens by the Bay, but if you want to see around, you need to walk. So it's good to have a stroller. Stroller is life changing, guys. Then the next thing is, in Singapore, the tap water is drinkable, so you don't have to buy water and spend dollars on water. So you just carry a bottle and refill it anywhere. So that's a life changer, money saver, and easy peasy hack. So we carried a bottle and we were refilling it everywhere. So that is a very important point. Just carry empty bottles, guys. And yeah, there is a light and sound show at the mangrove area, which you can see the timing. Sometimes it changes, so you can go and see on their website or on Klook. It'll show. We didn't stay for that because Anaya is too small for it, and it might be very stimulating for her. And you get some amazing views of Marina Bay Sands from Gardens by the Bay. So we took some amazing pictures there. You can check it out on my Instagram. So the next point is how to get to Gardens by the Bay. So we are staying somewhere close to Bencoolen Street. So we took the Bencoolen metro, MRT, from here till downtown, I think it's called. I forgot the name of the station. It's Bayfront. Sorry, not downtown. We took the metro from here to Bayfront, and it was around 5 stops. 6 stop was our stop. It's a direct metro from here, and it costed us 128 Indian rupees per person. So around 250 bucks, which is dirt cheap. Cabs, taxis, Grab, Gojek is super expensive in Singapore. So, and public transport is very easy to use, and you don't have to panic also, like stand in one corner and you're worried somebody will come and pickpocket or try to fool you, because you're in one of the safest countries in the world. But when we went to Europe, we were always scared. I used to stand like this with my purse at the metro station to see which stop we have to go to. So you don't have to worry about that in Singapore. The other important part is that in Singapore, you don't need to buy their local metro card. Of course, if you want to, you can. But if you have an international debit or credit card, that works to tap for the metro and the bus, which is amazing, which is again life changer, game saver, not money saver, but it's so convenient. Otherwise you have to exchange the cash and then use the cash in other countries, then buy the metro card or a ticket. Here it's like you just tap your card, so we're just tapping our cards. So that is that, so you don't have to worry about change and all that. And everywhere there is lift available, whether it's metro station, whether it's in Gardens by the Bay, whether it's in malls. It's like extremely stroller friendly and wheelchair friendly, so you guys don't have to worry about anything. So yeah, I think that's it. A few points from me would be, I would say if you want to do a quick one at Gardens by the Bay, which is not possible, but you don't have time, you're here only for an hour or your baby is too small, then I think you can go in the morning. But otherwise, if you have plans of visiting all the places and seeing Aram se, I would say start late. I think we started at a perfect time yesterday, na? We left at 5 from the room. We reached up at 5:30 and then we started. Very in an easy pace, we were able to cover all the like attractions there. No hurry at all, and for some reason it was not crowded also, because Singapore can get really humid and hot for your baby, so, and for you also. Like we were also sweating during the afternoon, so I would suggest that go late evening and then you can cover everything and even stay for the light and sound show and then come back. So if you have any doubts and questions, you can leave it in the comments below, or you can reach out to me on Instagram as well at The Arrival. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next vlog.
Guys, now it's my turn to go out. Bye bye.
Bye, baby.
Hi guys, I'm in the lift now. Need to go check a place to get some diapers.